what's up everyone, this is my string and welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'll be unboxing the iPhone XS Max, and without wasting any time, let's start this. So guys, I have the box with me, so let me open up the box. And here are some documents, and here's the phone. This is the iPhone XS Max. Here comes the AirPods and the charger. It's a 5-watt charger and lightning cable. So here's the phone. And now let me boot up the phone. You guys can see the Apple logo, and the variant which I'm having is silver white. Here are some documents. It is written designed by Apple in California. So guys, this is the original AirPods from Apple. This is a high quality AirPods. As you guys can see the quality. So this is a Dubai version, so the charger is different from the Indian version, from the Indian unit. So now let me check out what's inside this. Here are some documents, and it is written hello, something written in Arabic, I guess. I don't know what it is written. And here's the SIM card ejector, and here are some documents. And here's the Apple sticker. You can put it on your vehicle or anywhere you want. So that's it. That's the item which was inside the box. Okay guys, so here's the speaker grill, and then here's the lightning port cable from which you charge your phone. And then on the left hand side, here's the SIM tray, the power on-off button. And on the right side, here's the ringer. If you slide this up, it will turn your phone into a normal mode, and if you slide this down, it will turn into a vibration or a silent mode. And then here's the volume up and down button. And here's the dual camera, 12 plus 12 megapixel. The primary camera comes with 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture, and then the second one is used for optical zoom f2.4 aperture, in which you get 2x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom. And then here's the front camera. The front camera comes with 7 megapixel f2.2 aperture, in which you can record Full HD at 30 fps or 60 fps. And then talking about the primary camera, you can record 4K video in 24 fps, 30 fps and 60 fps. And then in Full HD mode, you can record at 24 fps, 20 frames per second and 30 fps, 60 fps, 120 fps and 240 fps. So it is the best camera phone in the smartphone, and it gives you the best video quality experience in a smartphone. It has 6.5-inch Super Retina OLED display with 458 ppi pixel density, and it supports HDR10 Plus, and it has a front camera of 7 megapixel f2.2 aperture. Let me show you the front camera of this phone. So this is the front camera. Let me take a photo and show you the sample. So here's the photo, and here's the quality. As you guys can see, I'm currently recording with my OnePlus 7T, as I don't have any DSLR camera, so I'm recording with my phone itself. Now talking about the primary camera, it has f1.8 aperture. This is the primary camera, and it has a 2x optical zoom. Here's the details of this camera. It is the best camera in a smartphone, and it has the best quality video in a smartphone. So guys, I'm currently recording with the iPhone XS Max. As you guys can see the quality of this phone. So here's the video. So after the update of iOS 13, you get the dark mode and an Apple TV, and there's a lot more functions. It supports the Dolby Atmos, and then it has got a front firing speaker. This is the best speaker I have ever heard in a smartphone. This is the best and loudest speaker I have heard in the smartphone. It gives you the best audio quality, video quality, and then the display quality in a smartphone. The price for this phone just starts at 1 lakh at 64GB variant, and the higher variant, which is 256GB, it is around 1,24,000, and the top variant is still 1,37,000. So if you guys are interested, please go and check it out in the market. And so this is the best phone and right now still at the market, and you guys can just go and purchase it. It is still the best value for the flagship segment and for the price segment. So guys, this was my review on the iPhone XS Max. You guys can go and buy it. It is still the best flagship phone in the market. It is still the best premium flagship phone. So guys, if you do like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys. Peace out.